basketball you know what to do. It's time to go, go, go. Let's go. So we're gonna get right into it, and we got new footage for you. I've been waiting to provide a little something special for you, and so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get right into it. Of course, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, but I also want you to check out some of this new footage that we got and get right to work. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to give you a nice little easy dribbling combination where we're going to dribble the ball over some cones. So you need 2 cones. You're going to put the 2 cones down, and then you're going to dribble over the cones. You can go right hand and then you can go left hand. You're going to do this for 45 seconds of time, and we are going to keep it rolling with another 45 seconds as you do it with the other hand. Okay, then after you've prepared yourself for what's to come, we are then going to cross it over and then dribble in a circle motion. So you're going to go 3 crossovers and dribble in a circle motion. Okay, as you can see on here, as my guy is getting it done like always. And next, we are going to get into some more dribbling, of course, but we're going to move our feet just a little bit. And you've probably seen this one once or twice with our footwork that we've done in different drills. And this one is going to be just a jab step with the dribble. Okay, so you're going to put that jab step right in the middle of each cone so you can kind of understand how to create that space on the defender, and then you're going to do it again with the other hand. Now it can get a little tiring, but the biggest thing is you want to stay low and you want to really work that jab foot. Okay, we're going to go about 45 seconds with this one, and we are looking again to really push off of that jab foot, and it's using a little bit of motion to create space, and we want to keep that ball pounding and we want to keep that rhythm flowing. Okay, so after we do that, then we're going to get a little movement around the cones. Okay, this one is just more footwork. Try your best not to cross your feet. You're going to do a figure 8 around the 2 cones. All right, a figure 8 around the 2 cones. I'm excited to give you new footage. I'm excited to give you some different footwork, and I just kind of want to see what you guys do here in these dribbling drills. Okay, and one thing I will say is, you know, with the summer again coming up to an end almost here, we want to finish the summer strong. So these workouts or any drills that I give you, you can add that on top of what we've already done. And remember, you can always go back to episodes and check out whatever it is that you might have forgot that we have done, because we have so many workouts coming at you every day. All right, go ahead and go to the free throw line and give yourself a water break after. Make 5 free throws, and then we're going to get right back to dribbling. I think we're going to go ahead and jump into 2-ball dribbling. Oh yeah, that's going to be fun. Yes, we're going to be right back at it again here. So now when we're looking at our 2-ball dribbling drills, remember, we're going to start stationary just to kind of remind you real quick of what it is that we're doing with those basketballs. So we're going to dribble both balls stationary, okay, for 30 seconds in place. And then after we do that, we are then going to want to walk forward with them. Okay, so after we walk forward with them, we have the idea. We're going to go low pounds, we're going to go mid pounds, and we're going to go high pounds. Okay, 30 seconds is around the time. If you don't have a full court distance or a half court distance to walk, you can do stationary, or you can walk back and forth in a 30-second time frame. Okay, another one to kind of warm us up for the drill that we're going to do with the new footage is also going to be shotgun dribbling, where it's alternating your dribbles. Okay, you're alternating this rhythm and you're trying to time it but differently, and I think it just challenges your brain, and it's also a great drill as you do it stationary, and then you see how hard it is to do when you actually move. So again, this will be 30 seconds, and I want you to really get in the flow of it with the consistency of having those dribbles off rhythm each other, so that you can practice being on a different cadence with each hand. All right, and then after we do that, the one I want to do is the new one for you. And this one is nice because one thing that I've been working on recently with some different players in my actual training, which we will get into about like new shows and live streaming towards the end. So stay tuned for that at the end of the workout. We do a little bit of north to south dribbling along with east to west. So we do both because that's going to be the movement you need when playing in the game. It's never just going to be one way. So you got to have the ability to understand that footwork both ways. So with that, we're going to take 2-ball dribble, okay? And now we're going to dribble it the same way where it's on the same cadence, and we're going to dribble it side to side, okay? You're going to use that free throw line, okay, that you have at the school or at home, and you're going to dribble side to side, almost in a defensive slide, while pounding those basketballs at an equal pace. Okay, you're going to do this for 30 seconds. Those legs are going to be burning a little bit, and so are those arms. But I'll tell you what, you're becoming a better dribbler each and every time you do this. We're going to do 3 sets of these, and then we're going to get into something a little bit different. Okay, so now how hard it was to go north and south while alternating the dribbles, I want you to go ahead and give that a try on this line again, going east and west. Now you may lose it, but I don't want you to stop your dribble. I want you to try to find a way to get the dribble back as well as keep moving, okay? It's going to be very important to your success when you make that mistake with 1 ball, okay? And so you're also going to do this 3 times again when dribbling side to side with 2 basketballs. As of right now, I think you guys are probably doing an awesome job, as we've done this before, but now we're just throwing a little bit of a twist in there, right? Okay, and then I want you to get rid of one of the basketballs, and then I want you to work an in and out dribble when going side to side. So you're going to work on changing and alternating those hands. As you can see here, he's kind of cupping it, really showing that control with the outside of the ball, and then he's waving it back and he's waving it back. I like it how they switch it and kind of alternate it, because it's almost like an unexpected change of direction. Okay, and that is what we are looking for when we play the game of basketball. And then the last drill that we're going to do here in this dribbling sequence of things that we're doing, we're going to go ahead and work on alternating through the legs first. Okay, so we're going to do that stationary. Okay, then I want you to do it moving north and south. Okay, and that is again going to be 2 to 3 sets, depending on how you feel right now, of 30 seconds, 1 stationary with those different sets, and then another separate set of sets going forward with the through the legs alternating. Okay, then you're going to then work on your lateral through the legs, okay, going side to side on that free throw line. Okay, like I said, this is a great drill. It also opens up your driving lane, gives you an ability to see what's going on the floor, and you're not going to be distracted as much by the defender because you're kind of throwing their timing off by going side to side. So again, you're going to do that 3 times for 30 seconds. And then what we're going to finish with today is we're going to finish with dribbling burnouts. Okay, so we're going to go low, 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 low. 4 minutes. It's gonna hurt. Right hand. Then you're gonna go low again for a minute with the left hand. Then we're gonna go mid dribbles. We're gonna go 45 seconds, okay, on both hands. Then we're gonna go about with the hard pound dribble, we'll go about another 45 seconds there. So that should burn it out with both hands immediately. And the biggest thing when you get tired here is to continue to try to pound it and work on the control of the basketball. Again, Basketball U, I can't appreciate you enough for stopping by each and every day in every way to come and play the game that you love to play. All right? It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm always happy to help you. Make sure you like, comment, and say something in that comments for me to answer your questions that you need. All right? And remember, someone's always working. Are you?